So guys, Java JDK is installed. Let's install this Android Studio. Okay. So in order to install this Android Studio, first of all, we have to download the setup file of this. Okay. So let's do that. So just open your web browser. Let me open a new tab. Let me close this website. Okay. And you have to open this website, google.com, and just do a search for Android Studio. Okay. And here we have this link, download Android Studio and SDK tools from developer.android.com. Click on this link. And here we have this page opened of Android Studio. Okay. And here we have this button, download Android Studio. So the current version is 3.4.2 for Windows 64-bit. And here is the size, 971 megabytes. It has. Okay guys, so before downloading this Android Studio, let's check out the system requirements. So I need to scroll down. Okay, and here we have the system requirements for various operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS. Okay, so we are on Windows, so let's check out that. So Microsoft Windows 7, 8 or 10, 32 or 64-bit. The Android emulator only supports 64-bit Windows. 4 GB of RAM minimum, 8 GB of RAM recommended. 2 GB of available disk space minimum, 4 GB recommended. Okay, and other information. And here we have this 1280 by 800 minimum screen resolution. So my Windows 10 system has all these requirements. You can check yours. And after that you can download the Android Studio. Okay, so let me go above and let me click on this download Android Studio, this button. Okay, and here we have this window opened. Before downloading, you must agree to the following terms and conditions. Okay, so you can read that over here if you are interested. Okay, and if you agree, you can click on this box to check this. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Okay, and here we have this button again, download Android Studio for Windows. Click on this button and you can see here we have this message, thank you for downloading Android Studio. So just select the place where you want to download the setup file of this. So I want to download it on my desktop, so I need to click on this to select it and then click on this save button. And you can see guys at the bottom left of my browser it's downloading, so it can take some time. So let me pause this video, and when it finishes I would come back. Okay, and you can see guys the Android Studio setup file has been downloaded. So let me go to my desktop. So let me minimize this browser. Okay guys, so here we have the setup file of Android Studio. So in order to run this, let me double click on this. Okay, so it's opening. Okay guys, so here we have this window. Do you want to run this file? Yes, click on this run button. Please wait while setup is loading. Okay guys, so here we have this window. Welcome to Android Studio setup. Okay, so just click on this next button. And here we have the choose components. I'm leaving this as default, and then click on this next button. And here we have the location where the Android Studio will be installed. So if you want to change this, just click on this browse button. Okay, and just select the location, but I'm leaving this as default, so let me click on this cancel and then click on this next button. Okay, and here we have the choose start menu folder, so I'm leaving this as default and then click on this install button. Okay guys, so you can see it's installing, so it can take some time, so let's wait. And you can see guys, installation complete. Our setup was completed successfully. So just click on this next button. And you can see guys, here we have this window, completing Android Studio setup. Start Android Studio. Yes, I want this. You can see it's checked. and then click on this finish button. So it's launching, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so I don't have any previous installation of this Android Studio, so I don't have anything to import, so I need to select this do not import settings and then click on this OK button, and it's starting. Okay guys, so here we have this welcome window. Okay, welcome. This wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. Additionally, the wizard will help port existing Android apps into Android Studio or create a new Android application project. Okay, so just click on this next button, and here we have the install type. Okay, choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. Okay, so here we have two options, standard and custom. So in standard, Android Studio will be installed with the most common settings and options recommended for most users. And here we have the custom. You can customize installation settings and components installed. Okay, so I'm selecting this standard option. Okay, and after that click on this next button, and here we have this select user interface theme. So here we have two themes, Dracula and light theme. Okay, so if you like this theme, Dracula, this dark theme, you can just click over here. You can see it's now selected, but I want this light theme, so I need to click over here. You can see it's now selected, and after that click on this next button. Okay, and here we have this verify settings window opened. Okay, if you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. Okay, so if you want to change some settings, you can click on this previous button and you can change that. Okay, but I don't want to do that. And here we have the current settings, setup type, standard, SDK folder, this location, total download size, 613 megabytes. Okay, SDK components to download. Okay, so these components will be downloaded. So let me click on this finish button, and you can see it's downloading the components, so I need to wait for this. Okay, and you can see guys it's now done. Okay, and then click on this finish button.